Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Saint Nightingale. I'm going to be taking you on a ride to my Yaba trip where I went to source for fabric. So let's go on this jolly ride. I took keke to my main bus stop just so that I can connect to the bus going to Yaba, and then up I went. I was walking till I eventually got a bus going to Yaba. Eventually, the bus got filled up. I changed my sitting position and then we started going. Then this funny smell started. Hey God! Eventually, the smell stopped. Then this lady that sat in front of me, she just kept sticking her head outside the window, and I was wondering, does she not know the health hazard about sticking your head outside the window? I got to Yaba, I started walking. I met those usual cutting sellers that was be calling you fine girl, but today they not annoying me, so I was just going. I went. Please, when last have you visited Yaba? Yaba has really changed because there's this bridge construction happening at the moment from, what's that place called? Is it Ojuelegwa? Yes, down to Yaba. So this entire structure has changed. I mean, the only place that looks very familiar to me right now is perhaps the BRT bus stop, and then the main Tejuosho market. The main Tejuosho market. So I crossed the rail, and I was just going, and I'm like, okay, as long as I can find and locate the Tejuosho mall, or is that a mall safe? The Tejuosho building, I know where I'm going to is behind. Maybe this is what is even causing the smell in Lagos. Did you see that dirt on the floor? I don't usually like going to the market. It stresses me. I mean, I come back tired, I can't think, I just want to eat. But let's go. Let's find the store. I'm going to buy a chinos material that I need to sew a chef, what I call it, a chef uniform now. A chef uniform, yes. And I eventually found the store when I went. I had gone there to buy something from them like last month, so I was trying to locate them again, since the fabric I got from them is reliable. So if you need to visit a place where you can get good materials for your corporate outfits, trouser material, shirt material, if you know Yaba very well, just follow me. I'm taking you right where you can shop for that. So I went down behind the Tejuosho market, and then the shop is located on the left side of this building. So I went straight just by Access Bank, just beside Access Bank. There's this narrow road beside Access Bank. If you know Yaba very well, there's this narrow road, and I went in, and then the shop is on the right side, and voila, here we are. I told them what I wanted, and they started looking for the material. Yeah, this is the material. So just so that I'm sure, we're going to be doing a test run to be sure that this fabric doesn't run. So he's cut a piece of the fabric and he's going to go test it. So in a bit to prove to me that this fabric doesn't run, he had to wash it, and then he went to go and clean it on the white fabric just so that I can see that the blue on the fabric doesn't run. And so here is it. Is wiping on the white fabric and there's no stain. So I got the assurance rather that this fabric doesn't run. Cut the fabric, package it for me, and I carried my kaya and started walking back to the bus park at Jibo to find my way back to K2. And I was just walking. I did some Mission Impossible things, holding my phone to record and crossing the road. Tell me not to try this again. So I eventually located my bus. Going back to K2, I got into the bus and I videoed the tunnel, the popular Maryland tunnel. We've passed it now, and then this bus people, as usual, did not take us to our bus stop, so I started trekking again. Eventually, I trekked. I crossed the road, and I landed safely in my house after a very long day. Well, today cannot end without me eating my favorite food, amala. I'm not having it with ewedu this time. I'm having ogbono soup. But really, I really need this after today's stress. What exactly do you do when you come back from the market as a fashion designer? Do you eat? Do you sleep? Do you drink water? What exactly do you do? If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and watch other videos that I have, tutorial videos, of course, or shorts. Well, from me to you, it's bye bye.